All right, guys, we are live. Good afternoon. Currently having some internet issues, so I've been tethering to my phone here to get things working. Just getting set up here, a little bit behind schedule, trying to get everything working. So, welcome to the stream. Looks like we got about 2 viewers right now. Hey, welcome. Just going to try to get my charts updated here. I haven't done my levels yet. Usually not on until later, but I got a hockey game tonight, guys, so going to be a bit of a shorter stream. But thanks for showing up anyways, guys. I'll just set my levels here on the charts. Actually, you know what? Let's do this real quick. You guys can see what I'm up to. Just update the colors of my view ops here. Hey, Tim. Hey, yeah, thank you. Just trying to get my levels set up here on the chart real quick. I'm a little handcuffed right now on my little laptop, and I have a little side screen, and I figured out how to connect another side screen, but it's running really slow, and it's just not my usual setup here, so we'll work with it though. Yeah, it's pretty rough right now. Should hopefully have the internet connected. Looks like we're breaking out, and I'm kind of missing it right now. ES is breaking out. So 30-minute session volume profile. Need these guys. Set the value area low. Point of control. Value area high. Previous day high. Delete that. Alfredo, what's up? Hey, Lone Wolf. Just getting set up on a little bit early today. So what did I do? I changed it to bars. There you go. I have a hockey game tonight, so just trying to get a little stream in here before I got to take off to play hockey. Just setting up my levels here. Bear with me for a sec. We'll get into the charts. All right. Go over to YM. Oh, you got three. We got 3 likes already. Hey, there. Thanks, Dad. Okay, VWAP's done. Value area is done. That's YM. Okay, just NQ left here, guys. Almost done. Cook up some beef and broccoli beef tonight. So that sounds good. I'm jealous. All right, we're set. Yum. Skip the game. I gotta stay. Yeah, I know, right? We're actually really short players, unfortunately. So Tim's having homemade chili. Nice. Well, is anybody in this long here or what? NQ's already heading to the point of control. We have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap above. 24,440 is the top of it, sort of. Alfredo, you're long. Nice. You're in at 24,340. Let's see. Kaylin's in at 24,340. Wow. Nice job. Nice job. Obviously, I missed this move so far. I mean, it's looking pretty strong at the moment, guys. So, but my line in the sand is probably going to have to be point of control if we can get above that. So 24,444. If you can get some nice closure above there, you can probably at least see 25 plus, right? 25,000 or 24,500, and then maybe a bit more. But anything can happen here. It's looking okay. You're in at 24,340. Your stop is 24,345, 335, and you're not moving your TP or stop loss. Change it. Cool. And what's your target then? Do you have a target, or are you? Oh, your TP is 435. Gotcha. Hey, Johan. Yeah, it's I don't have the big earmuffs on, and it's a different camera. Chopping. Your TP and stop loss at 80 and 200. Nice. Yeah, that's a smart trade. Very nice. $2.3R. Yeah, that's a nice R. Well, point of control just got hit by NQ, previous day's point of control. Man, regretting not buying. Nice. There you go, Kaylin. Waiting for your package in the mail. Currently have a monitor stand that holds up to 6 34-inch monitors. Oh, but the arms are getting weak. I ordered 3 stands that hold 2 50-inch monitors. No more arms. Oh, okay, nice. Good idea.
It's really hot.
Filled. Nice trade. You couldn't hear anything there. Gonna get some music going. Hopefully it's not too loud. Yeah, took the orb. Oh, you took the orb opening range break? Nice. So you're in somewhere around 403? Hey, AG's in the house, aka number 500. You're in at 410, nice. And you got a target above, or you gonna go for those recent highs, 469, or are you looking for higher? I mean, 500 is a nice round number. Not financial advice, but we did flex through the point of control there, guys. There is a bearish fair value gap up at 500 area. So it starts at 24,484 and ends at 24,518. So it's a pretty large one on the 5-minute. Oh, right. Oh, they're crooked? Gotcha. Yeah, I really should invest in some screen mounts also. I have 3 just on their original stands across, and then I literally put my PC's like the box up top, and I got my 3rd monitor like sitting on the top of the PC, and it's like tilted towards me. You just passed Lucid Pro going long 40 minutes ago? Nice, bro. Lucid. That's awesome. Which account did you start with? Did you have the Pro Flex? Did you say? Sorry. Oh, a Pro. Nice. 50K? These unmitigated fair value gaps scare me right now. Yeah. Are you talking about the bullish ones below us or the bearish ones above? Yeah, you did. Of course, that's why you passed, bro. You got the MBT luck. The bullish ones, yeah, I know there could be a strong pullback into those. I did have a channel marked out there too on NQ, sort of at 24,388. So I mean, I could see us going for a retest at that level too, maybe even a little bit below that. Value area low is just in that area also, so that can end up being support. But we'll have to see how the next couple candles go here. If they keep pushing it up, definitely looking bullish, you know. So funded rules, let's just say Zach had a 50K. I think he said 50K, right? Yeah. So now the rules are a minimum payout target of 500. I think it's 1,500, or at least 1,500, and maybe up to 2,000 for the max payout. 2,000 max loss, daily loss limit of 1,200, and then 60% of your peak end of day drawdown. So as you get more money in the account, the drawdown increases, so you can have a little bit more movement on your pullbacks in case you're in heavy. 40% consistency, 4 minis, 40 micros, and 3 days to payout. Whew. And if you were to get 5 payouts, you get 2 there live. So congratulations, Zach. Nice job, bro. Oh, hey, thanks, Kaylin. You're gonna try out your 2 25K evals today. Are those top 1 futures or Lucid? You put the ones you got in the Discord chat? Oh, nice. I'll check it out. Do I have Discord loaded on this computer? I don't even know if I have Discord on this computer right now. I'm like using a laptop that is really, it's just my crypto laptop. And now I'm streaming on it. Discord. Download for Windows. Lucid, nice. Here, let me get back to the chart here. Well, I wish you well and pass on those bad boys. Try not to get too many accounts, or you're going to be spreading yourself too thin trying to manage them all. Next thing you know, you're going to have to get into a trade copier. Yeah, this is on the laptop. So seems like you guys are already checking out the installation failed. Everyone can see it except me. You know what? If this doesn't work, I will just check on my phone. Cancel that. Dual vertical. Oh, nice. Oh, and it clips right on the back. That's cool. That frees up a whole lot of space too, eh? Very nice. Oh, what? Looks like Discord, what did work? All right, I got us logged in. Nice. Can clamp on the back of the desk or in a hole. Oh, nice. Yeah. Because, yeah, you have those, like, I have a couple of those little cutouts on the back of my desk here. Bots are ready, Dave. Let's go gold. Nice. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to put that in, but I'll definitely be putting that in. Everybody, Johan shared the bot with me, so I'm gonna pop it in and kind of test it out a bit. Took a $100 winner on NQ. Nice, nice. Oh, it's your first try tonight. Nice. Getting that pullback now, guys. Back towards the point of control. Very nice. Well, I wanted to buy it at 38, but it didn't quite get there. That would have been a nice 20-point W right there. Looking pretty strong, hey guys? Kind of need to get past this this high though. Kind of got a bunch of stacked highs here. It's gonna be sort of the hard area to get through. The 7 p.m. candle had some pretty high volume, sort of little mixed barrel on buyers and sellers in there. I think that's pretty smart. And even quite often when we have these stacked fair value gaps, it'll pull back right through the first one to the second one, right? Second one is down at around 400. Yeah, there's a third one down there, right? Down at 360 area. But I feel like if we get all the way back to the third one, that's starting to look bearish to me, you know? Yeah. Oh yeah, my dogs like broccoli also. How could you not, right? So good. I love broccoli. Especially if it was cooked with beef. Yeah, I see that. Hey, Darren. Just got your Crypto Sunday live with friends. Hopefully you can get a trade or two in. Nice, yeah. How is Bitcoin looking? That's got me curious. Been a minute. Haven't looked at it for a couple days here. 73. Okay, it's up a bit. Actually, really strong push right now. Oh, market some exuberance. How's the oil looking? Has it been going down? Popped up, gapped up, and then came down and filled the gap. Damn. Are you talking about the 15 or 20% consistency? Yeah, CL's pulling back right now in a downtrend for sure. If it's a 20% consistency, I think I usually do 600. Oh, the 25K? 25K, if it's 20% consistency, that's 1250, right? So what you do is you take it, whatever the target is, and then divide it by 5, and that should give you the round number. And I'll give it an extra 20 bucks because maybe there's slippage or whatever. And that's, it's not unreasonable to make an extra, 100 bucks to pass the evaluation sort of, or the account. Yeah, because you can, you probably know, right? But you can set up your target, like you can set it up to sell it if you reach that target, right? So you go into there, you go risk settings, right? And then you can have your daily loss limit set, say 400, daily profit target 650. That's how I have this one set anyways. Yeah, so the best way is if it's 20%, just divide the profit target by 5. So whatever your profit target is going to be, since it's 20%, and then that'll give you the number. So if it's 3,000 profit target, then you want 600 bucks. We're getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. Sort of trying to erase or trying to invert that first bearish fair value gap. I'm gonna stick an order down here just because if it does like some sort of crazy quick wick, wouldn't mind getting in. We'll have to see though. I don't really want to get in on this candle unless it's a really quick move. But if it slowly grinds down, might have to move my entry order there. You can trade micro Bitcoin with Lucid. Is that the? Oh, I wasn't sure on that one. I just didn't bother to check the rules, but I did see it in the drop-down menu. Hey, Crispy, what's up? Welcome to the stream this evening. Okay, it looks like we might be holding that first fair value gap currently. Oh, yeah, you probably can't. If it's saying order rejected, then they don't allow you. I don't recall reading that they did or ever hearing that, so I think there's oh, you might be on the wrong ticker, but let's quickly ask AI. I never searched about Bitcoin on there, so AI told me no, you generally cannot trade Bitcoin futures with Lucid Trading. Why? Lucid prop firm is focused on CME future contracts, equities, metals, energy. In at 24.41. Nice, yeah. I mean, nice hold on the fair value gap there. I don't have my all my usual pages connected right now, or I would just ask the AI thing from right on their website, the Lucid website. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Keep going up. Up, up, up. Go on the screen. Oh, I'm so sad that I missed that move. I was like just getting the stream set up and it's like doo, doo, doo. Oh, did it edge you? It tick, almost got you out to the tick there, I think. I'm the cloth. Welcome. Yes, what a move, right? 340 to 460. 130 points, roughly, even more from the low. You're in long now? I wish you well, bro. It just so happens I'm always got to eat when I'm streaming. But I'm actually going to end the stream here in about 10 minutes, guys. I got a hockey game tonight. So I'm going to try to see if I can pop on later. But it's going to be pretty late. It's going to be like probably around 10 p.m. So I know, right? I'm always eating. Always dinner time. My dad's like, still at 3 likes. Can anybody help? Lone Wolf, you'll probably be on. Nice. Yeah, I'll try to get on for. I'll get on for a little bit before bed. I'll be pretty wired after hockey. I can't usually sleep right away, anyways. So pop on and do like another little session here, see if we can't get a trade. Because it seems like I'm not going to get a trade right now. I mean, I only have about 10 minutes left. So if I get tagged in on this trade, I probably have to manage it on the road or something. Butchering the market. Oh, hey Pernell. Unfortunately, I'm a little hindered right now. I don't have full internet. I'm using my phone to hotspot my laptop because our internet is down. So I don't really have access to everything. If I were to put Bookmap on here, I don't think this computer could handle it, to be honest. So don't worry, I will have it back. It's just I think the internet should be fixed Monday afternoon. So sorry about that. Really, other streamers stop displaying it? I don't know. I didn't know about that. Yeah, so it's just kind of a situation right now that I got that I didn't download it on this laptop, and with the internet being out, yeah, it kind of sucks. Feeling a little a little blind. It's like when you go out and you forget your phone at home. No, we had like a snowstorm, and one of the trees, like, because we have a really long run from the wire from where we are through somebody else's property, like an acre distance down to the main road, and we just had a bunch of snow, so one of the trees fell and knocked down the wire. So they came on Saturday, tried to fix it, but only cut back the wires, and then they're coming back on Monday to finish it. So are you looking at gold right now? Whoa, gold, big dip. Big dip on gold, guys. $05 down to 83. That's almost a 20-point dip right there. Wow. Okay, well, I'm going to exit this trade here, guys. Not exit the order anyways. So it's usually inverse, but it can work together with them, but more often it's the opposite direction. Which is kind of surprising that it's not really, you know, NQ is not bouncing. But maybe this is a bit of a delayed reaction on the bounce up. Yeah, similar to oil, yeah. Last spring you had a windstorm and a tree knocked a tree down, took out your fiber. Fiber is through the PUD here. And within 3 hours, the PUD had new lines back up and running. Wow, that's nice. Holy. That's fast. Yeah, unfortunately, it's kind of like on private land, and it's not very easy to like access the line, so they can't take a truck. They would have fixed it today, but they can't get a truck down there. So they got to like come back with like ladders and stuff. I don't know exactly how they're going to do it, but yeah, because it's like in the bushes, right? Down the road. Like there's no road over there. Oh, we made a new low there on gold, eh? The lines run from a pole 2 properties away. Nice. Well, hey, that's pretty awesome that they fixed it that fast. That's some efficient workers right there. Huge volume on that gold though, hey? A lot of buyers stepping in there. $6.3K contracts on that one 5-minute candle so far. It was a fiber company. It would have been days or weeks, but the PUD is our power company and they handled the fiber. Okay, yeah, of course. That makes sense. Very high incentive for them to get that done, hey? So we We have 29 people in the stream right now. Thanks everybody for tuning in. 15 people on YouTube, and looks like about 14 people in X. Good to see y'all. Thank you, thank you. Thanks, Kaylin. Appreciate it. We got the chat pushing for likes. You guys rock. It's Market Butcher. Market Butcher 1, I think it is. Let's see here. X. Yeah, Market Butcher 1, all no spaces, no nothing. Oh, you guys. Most of them are on X though, so they can't really hit the like button. We only have about like half of the viewers are on X. 15 in YouTube, 15 in X. I don't have the stream open. I don't think my on the YouTube, because I don't think my computer can handle having all the extra screens open. Yes, it is. Unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. But yeah, check out later. I'll probably try to get on around 10 p.m. for a little bit. Try to see if we can't make a little bit of money today. But if not, hopefully you guys got a green trade or two in here while we're waiting. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. And yeah, hopefully I'll pop a goal or two and it'll be a good game. On the economic calendar tomorrow at 4:30, it's predicting the Canadian inflation year over year to go 2.6 to 2.4. Interesting. Nice. All right, Kaylin, see you in the morning. Yeah. I guess you got to go to bed at 6:30 p.m. to be able to get up on time for 4:30 a.m. Open. All right, guys. Thanks so much for saying hi. Sorry we couldn't really find any trades or anything here, but appreciate seeing you guys. Good to see you. And yeah, I'll be back later tonight, and if not, we'll see you in the morning for the market open at 9:30 a.m. East Coast, guys. Okay. Have a good night. Peace.